At CIBSE, we're shaping the future of the building services industry by nurturing young talent and inspiring tomorrow's engineers. As the demand for skilled professionals grows, we are addressing the skills gap through initiatives like the CIBSE Flush Challenge. Designed for pupils aged 9 to 11, the Flush Challenge is an interactive tool that sparks curiosity for engineering. Using a 3D printed toilet model and pipes, students build a functional flush system, gaining a real-world understanding of its mechanics and an insightful introduction to building services engineering. The Flush Challenge is more than just fun, it teaches resource management, water conservation, and sustainability. CIBSE STEM Ambassadors, industry professionals who volunteer their time, bring this challenge to life by sharing their passion and expertise, making STEM subjects more engaging for students. By connecting young minds with real-world engineering, CIBSE fosters a love for STEM and inspires future careers in building services engineering. The Flush Challenge empowers students to become problem solvers and innovators. CIBSE is committed to environmental sustainability, hands-on learning, and STEM engagement, ensuring a thriving, skilled building services workforce for the future. CIBSE, leading the way in STEM education and engineering talent development.